In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off all the notifications on an iPhone while playing games. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings, and that's where we can easily find Focus. I'm gonna tap on it and it is showing all the focus modes here. I prefer to use Do Not Disturb to turn off all the notifications, so in here we can enter Do Not Disturb mode to configure it. That's where I recommend you to configure people and apps that will be allowed to send you notifications. So if we include here some persons, we'll be able to get notifications from them even we are at Do Not Disturb focus mode. To add a person here, tap at that plus sign, then select a user from your contacts book, and that's how we can add them. Make sure that Allow Notifications From is selected. The same about apps here. Also, we can add custom background for the focus mode. And then all we have to do in order to turn on focus mode and turn off the notifications is just swipe down from the top right corner to open up Control Center, and then just tap right here. Now it says Do Not Disturb on. The wallpaper has been changed, so now we are currently on Do Not Disturb mode, and all the notifications, including app notifications, phone calls, text messages notifications, will be muted. You wouldn't get any sound notification, any pop-ups here, except the notifications from the users we added right here, and except the apps we added right there. Now I'm gonna show you how we can easily turn off Do Not Disturb. That's easy to do, so just swipe down from the top right corner, and then to turn off Do Not Disturb focus mode, just tap right here one more time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.